Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20.
Early concept of crime. Before the 1700s, crime was largely viewed through a supernatural and religious lens rather than through scientific reasoning. It was commonly believed that a person who committed a crime did so under the influence of demons, evil spirits, or witchcraft. This belief was rooted in superstition and the lack of rational or scientific understanding of human behavior. Criminologist Stephen Fole noted that during this period, people often justified wrongdoing by claiming that the devil made me do it. Such explanations were widely accepted by society and the church, which held immense influence over people's moral and legal thinking. When someone was accused of a crime, trials were often based on superstition, confession through torture, or religious rituals rather than on evidence or reason. If the accused was found guilty, they were subjected to severe and public punishments, such as flogging, burning, beheading, or hanging. These punishments were meant not only to penalize the offender but also to instill fear among the public and deter others from committing crimes. This era of arbitrary justice was characterized by brutality and the absence of due process. However, the late 18th century witnessed a significant transformation in the understanding of crime and justice. This intellectual shift is known as the Age of Enlightenment, a period that emphasized reason, logic, and scientific inquiry over superstition and religious dogma. It was during this time that Cesare Beccaria, often regarded as the father of classical criminology, challenged these outdated beliefs. In his seminal work, On Crimes and Punishments, in 1764, Beccaria argued that punishment should be rational, proportionate, and aimed at preventing crime rather than inflicting pain. His ideas laid the foundation for modern legal systems based on fairness, equality before the law, and human rights. Beccaria and other classical school theorists proposed that human beings are rational and hedonistic, meaning they seek pleasure and avoid pain. According to this view, people commit crimes after a rational calculation of risks and rewards. Therefore, the role of law and justice is to deter individuals by ensuring that punishments are certain, swift, and proportionate to the offense. This gave rise to the development of modern courts of law, policing systems, and administrative frameworks designed to maintain peace, order, and justice within society. Development of criminology as a science. As societies advanced, the study of crime evolved from moral judgment to scientific analysis. Criminology emerged as a distinct and independent discipline, though it remains interdisciplinary in nature. It draws knowledge from sociology, psychology, anthropology, political science, law and biology among others, to understand the causes, effects, and control of crime. The term criminology originates from the Latin word crimen, meaning crime or accusation, and the Greek word logos, meaning study or science. Thus, criminology literally means the scientific study of crime. Criminology focuses on both the etiology and phenomenology of crime. Etiology explores the causes or origins of criminal behavior, why people commit crimes. Phenomenology examines the forms, patterns, and manifestations of crime, how crime appears and operates within societies. Branches of criminology. Criminology is generally divided into two major branches. Theoretical criminology. This branch seeks to explain and understand criminal behavior through theories and frameworks. It includes criminal psychology, studies the mental processes and motives of offenders. Criminal anthropology examines the physical and biological aspects of criminals. Criminal sociology explores how social structures, norms, and environments influence crime. Criminal politics focuses on laws, justice, policies, and governance related to crime. Prophylactic criminology emphasizes crime prevention strategies. Criminal psychiatry investigates the relationship between mental illness and criminal acts. Penology studies punishment, correction, and rehabilitation of offenders. Applied or pragmatic criminology. This branch applies criminological theories and methods to real-world problems. Criminology does not have its own unique research methods. Instead, it borrows from other scientific disciplines such as analysis and synthesis, from logic and philosophy, comparative and statistical methods, from sociology and data science, experimental and psychological approaches, from psychology and biology. Applied criminology investigates specific issues such as types of crime, profiles of offenders and victims, social and antisocial behavior, and environmental factors contributing to criminality. Conclusion: the evolution of criminology from mystical explanations to a scientific discipline reflects humanity's progress toward rational thought, justice, and social reform. What was once attributed to supernatural causes is now studied systematically through observation, research, and analysis, making criminology an essential field in understanding and preventing crime in modern society.
I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.